It has now been 2 days since this Omaha woman was killed by police, accused of taking and slashing a 3-year-old boy.
And tonight, we're looking for answers on how Noemi Guzman even had the opportunity to put herself and others at risk, given her criminal history. KETV Newswatch 7's Aaron Hegarty sat down with the deputy county attorney.
He joins us live from the Douglas County Courthouse. Aaron?
Yeah, the deputy Douglas County, the chief deputy, says that Guzman was doing well in her evaluations, and there wasn't really a basis for her to remain in inpatient care and be removed from the community. But she says there is more that can be done. Douglas County Chief Deputy Attorney Brenda Beadle says courts are seeing more insanity pleas.
I've never seen so many in the last 5 years, and I've been doing this 30.
She says there are things the county is doing well, like mental health crisis response by Omaha Police and the Douglas County Sheriff's Office. But she says the case of Noemi Guzman highlights a change she'd like to see. Guzman was found not responsible by reason of insanity after stabbing her father and attacking a priest at St. Francis Cabrini Church in 2024.
There were 2 doctors that were consulted by the defense and by the state, and both agreed she was insane at the time.
Beadle says Guzman was allowed in the community but expected to have annual reviews conducted by the Lincoln Regional Center. The judge said changes in conditions should be reported.
Public policy in Nebraska has always been least restrictive. You know, we don't want to commit somebody against their will. We want them to encourage them to get help.
And in Guzman's case?
She was compliant. She was doing the meds. There wasn't a reason that really waved a red flag to do anything differently. And the judge made that call.
Beadle says stakeholders meet often to go over things that could be done better. One thing Beadle said Thursday, even if not a full review, maybe there should be some sort of case manager or check-ins more often than once a year.
Maybe you don't need to have another review, but certainly updates, progress reports, something of that nature, especially if the judge is going to let them be out in the community.
And Beadle said the Douglas County Attorney's Office was concerned when Guzman was allowed back into the community before the trial, but as for after the trial, again, she says she's not sure what more could have been done given Guzman's compliance. Back to you.
It's a question a lot. It's a process a lot of people have questions over, Aaron. Thanks for working to get answers for us.